In this video, I'm going to install a second MT4 terminal on the VPS, repeating the same steps as for the first one, except using a different target folder. So I run the MT4 installer, and then in Settings, I go to the installation folder, and I change that to C:\MT4 JDR securities and give a suffix of 2 and copy that same name into the program group. So again, I won't log in just for now. And I'll create a shortcut link to the data folder. So go to File, Open Data Folder, click on MQL4, right click and select Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut. Close that, close MT4. So I can delete the meta editor. There's my MT4 icon. There's my data folder shortcut. So I will right click and rename this to MT4. JDR securities 2, and same with the folder, right click, rename to demo2. And the final step is to add in the /portable into the target string. So click on the MT4 icon, right click, select properties and go into the target field. At the end, type space and then /portable. Apply that, and that is it. That is my second MT4 terminal installed.